Running an agency is not easy. There are clients to manage, campaign to run, leads to follow up on, and endless tool to juggling. And honestly, if you are not organized, things can get messy really fast. That's exactly why so many agency owners are turning to GoHighLevel, a platform that designed especially to simplify everything and help you to run your agency smoothly. Today we are going to break down everything you need to know about GoHighLevel for agencies. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear picture of whether it's right for you or not. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the description below for links to a special deal and free trial for GoHighLevel. And even if you use the GoHighLevel for yourself, you can get the 14 days free trial, but if you use the link in the description, then you will get the 30 days free trial. So go to the description and check that link. So let's start with the basic. GoHighLevel is built for agency owner who manage multiple clients or project. And you can think of it as like an all-in-one platform where you can handle marketing, sales, and client management all in one place. Instead of juggling 5 or 6 different tools, GoHighLevel lets you do almost everything under a single roof. You can get everything from funnel building to email marketing, SMS campaign, automation, and even CRM feature that help you to track your clients and leads. One of the biggest advantages for agencies is the white labeling feature. This means you can brand the platform as your own and offer it to your clients without them to even knowing that it's GoHighLevel. It makes your agency look much more professional and gives you the flexibility to provide a complete marketing solution to your client. Now, automation is where GoHighLevel really shine. You can set up lead follow-ups, reminder, abandoned cart campaign, appointment confirmation, and pretty much anything you can imagine. The automation tools are advanced, but the platform is designed to make it manageable. Once you set up, it works like a well-oiled machine and saving you hours every week and helping your clients to get faster results. Another feature agency loves is the funnel builder. It's drag and drop, easy to use, and comes with a wide range of template. Whether you are building a funnel for your own agency or for a client, you can create landing pages, sales pages, and full marketing funnel without needing a designer or developer. This saves money and speeds up the delivery. Pricing is another important consideration. GoHighLevel start at $97 per month for the basic plan, but agencies often go for the $297 plan to unlock the unlimited sub account, white labeling, the API access, and yes, it is an investment, but if you manage multiple clients, the time and money you can save that easily justify it. Now, it's not all perfect. GoHighLevel has the learning curve, especially if you have never used the advanced marketing tool before. The interface is peaked with features, so it can feel overwhelming at first. But the platform provides the tutorial and the support. And once you get the hang of it, it becomes an indispensable tool for running the agency. So to sum it up, GoHighLevel is built for the agency owner who want to manage client, automate campaign, and provide the professional marketing solution under one platform. So if you would like to try GoHighLevel yourself, click the link in the description and get the 30 days free trial. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.